if you think that design build always happens in some ideal way, it doesn't. I mean, we've had a running joke around the office that many times design build is actually build design.
It's just an excuse to get going faster.
That's right.
Yeah.
And then many times these companies that have a conglomeration of designers that work under the same roof, so to speak, they still silo them, pocket them, isolate them, and don't somehow kind of like fan the flame of good communication where people are able to actually collaborate at a higher level. So I think we're a little idealistic about this delivery method. IPD can be another one. People are like, oh, IPD. I'm like, yes, idealistically, where everybody's singing Kumbaya, and we're all in the first meeting where everybody's stating what I'm going to do on this one.
And then they actually do it.
Well, and then 2 weeks later, another project rears its head and you're like, oh, junk. And then you have the same meeting stating the same intent, but you're spread thin and you can't.